Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one very useful feature which is available within MS Excel, which can help you to get a quick look at your data and you will be able to do some very quick calculations also. Just before we go into the video and I'll show you the exact steps, I have a full course available in Udemy where I talked about multiple such MS Excel related features. That course is also free. Please check the links in the description below if you are interested. Now, without wasting much time, now let's get into the computer right now where I can show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see I have a data set here and this data is a huge data, right? If I just maybe select some of the data from here and I want to understand how many cells I selected, if you follow my mouse, it is showing here count as 22. So this is the status bar of your Excel and it quickly counts that so that you don't need to bother counting it manually. Now if I just select this particular data, now you come here, you can see Excel already counted the quick sum of these particular values whatever I selected. How many such data I have selected and what's the average of it. So this is a very quick way to get the calculations and of any of the sheet. Now maybe you are selecting any of the column, you can see it's showing 701, which means there are 700 rows of data are here and plus one row heading. So that's why it's showing as 701. So there are multiple different ways you can use it. So let me show you another time. So I have just selected these particular values here. I'm getting those details available here. Now there are certain ways to customize it also. If you just right click on the blank part of the status bar, you'll be able to see there are multiple different options. You can play with that, you can understand whatever you are looking for, all those things. Maybe there is an option, if you can check that option in case your caps lock is on, that will also be visible here. If I now enable the caps lock, you can see that it's showing caps lock is on, right? And if I just turn it off, it will go away. So this is the way you can do. Let me show you some of the things. You can see within this calculation field, it already calculated those values and other things. If I click on maximum, minimum and numerical count, then those data also will be available. And going forward, whenever you will be using your Excel, then you will be able to see all this option. So without this selection, it's showing that this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. 529, 550. Similarly, count is 23 and numerical count is also 23, which means the data we have collected all are numeric in values. So there is no general or other text data. So all those informations are available. I would request you to play with these particular options, check whatever are as for your need, whatever you can use it from here, which can make your Excel experience more enriched. Hopefully you like this particular video and I just talked about briefly about this particular feature. You can play around and learn more. If you want to watch similar such content in future, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I try to publish 2 videos every week so that we'll be able to learn something new together. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.